Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a blog to your Wix website. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm pretty sure that this feature is only available for websites that are stated as blogs during the setup. If it hasn't been modified to be a blog, then you can set it afterwards, but mine is already set up to be a blog. So I'm going to show you guys how you can add one to your site in the editor. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new page, and firstly I'm going to delete this blog page which I have deleted previously, or created previously, pardon me, and I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to add a new menu item and then click new page if this would cooperate with me for a bit. And as you can see, you can then go ahead and click on blog, and you can add the Wix blog if you wish, or you can just create a blank page. I'll create a blank one, and then I'm going to just name it blog and click done. Now I have the blog page, and now we're going to add the blog elements. So go into elements, and at the bottom right under CMS you'll see blog, and you can add it to your site, and then you're just going to click on it, and it's going to take a couple of seconds for it to load up and add the blog to my site. And once that's done, we should be all good to go. And as you can see, the Wix blogs has been added, and now you can create posts, you can manage blogs, you can manage the blog pages, customize the post page, add blog elements, read the blogging guide, etc., etc. And as you can see, now the blog has been set over here. I'm just going to stretch it across the entire screen like so, and you can then click on manage posts, and it'll open up your dashboard for you to make new posts on your blog. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and that is pretty much it for that. You can also go into settings and, well, modify the settings of the blog, which looks like something like this. You can create a post and manage post from here. From main, you can go to display and, well, set up the display, the layout as well. You can change the design, support the website, or get support for yourself if you need it from the Wix technical assistant, or the FAQ, or customer care / customer service. And you can also click post page to, well, post your page. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.